We have a flow goal defining and goal setting exercise. We use goal defining right now, but we can use this flow to set goals. We can define our fears, and we can get some structure in terms of how we're actually going to go and achieve those goals. So this is a great one to run at the beginning of the year because we're thinking about a new quarter, we're thinking about a new fiscal year. So if we use this template and we set the schedule, maybe we want this to run on January 2nd, and we want it to run every quarter on the first Monday. We want it to run at 9 in the morning. Now I have a flow that's going to ask me, what are my long-term career goals? What fears do I have of the future? How can we prevent those fears from becoming realities? And what support will I need? So if I save that, this is the kind of flow that becomes super valuable for me as an individual, for me to commit to my goals, but it also becomes super valuable for me and my manager within our working relationship to have an open and honest discussion about whether or not my goals are appropriately laddering into the goals of the organization, whether they match the expectations of my manager, and also for me to solicit the support from my manager to actually achieve the goals that I'm setting at the beginning of the year. So if I jump in here, I can say, I just want the participants to be me and I just want the participants to be me, and I want the viewers to be myself and my manager. So if I add Josh in here, then I've created a flow where I am the only person who can participate, but Josh can see all the posts that come in. So every quarter, when I come in here and I commit to say that my goals are becoming product director, my fears are becoming complacent, work, and open and honest dialogue, consistent feedback to achieve those goals. So if I create that post, now I can see that post, but also Josh, as my manager, can come in here and he can get a really rich view of, okay, this is the goal that Matthias is setting. These are the fears and perhaps the anxieties that are existing in the back of his mind throughout his work life. And this is my desire for the support that I need in order to actually go and achieve those goals. These are the kind of conversation, or these are the kind of posts, these kind of flows that create really rich starting points for conversations with your manager about your future, about your goals, about what the next quarter or the next year is going to look like. And we can set that up in an automated way using assembly.